Cabin crew, doors to automatic and cross-check.
Cabin crew, please prepare for manual safety briefing. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brake position and location and operation of the doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed at you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates evacuation slides. High heel shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide belt. It's fastened, it must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it's fastened and adjusted like this and open like this. For your comfort and safety, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you're wearing a face mask, it should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container, put it over your head. Pass the long strap around your waist. Secure the clip to the buckle at the front and pull tight. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with fly safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move the seat but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position, with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew. Thank you.
there was hot, the window broke, and then I swapped sides, and then I woke up again about 3-ish. So yeah, I didn't sleep really well at all. But I broke it. When I woke up, I was like, quarter to 5 or something up.
Did you bring yours on the plane? Yeah, but it's in your case.
I don't know if it's the right one.
It is. I've got the lightning cable one.
I did, yeah. Do you want it?
Not right now, but in the flight, can I? Thank you.
My name is Diane Ross, the in-flight manager, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. The seat power is available in your seat area and be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. For those who seated in Club Europe, we offer you a choice of meal and a drink from the bar. In Eurotravel, we offer you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our Speedbird Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by on-board purchases. The crew will shortly handle your cabin with a selection of drinks and snacks available for purchase. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy your hospitality. If there's anything my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know.
When you're up at your level, it's different than when you're around something. Because it's the air pressure. The air pressure
It's the altitude.
Yeah, no wonder Marco's